come to Bethlehem.
And Mary was great with child.
Our manger is coming to us. It's convenient.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out.
Oh my, is there any room at the inn?
No
room.
No
room at the inn. The sheep are turning us away. Okay, shepherd, watch over your flocks by night. Okay, angel. Chew, angel.
Oh, here's the baby Jesus arriving almost, well.
And the glory of the
soon to
Lord
be.
shone round about him, and they were so
Don't worry, Daphne, don't worry, we'll figure it out. Maybe we'll use the rocking chair for it. Okay, can we use the rocking chair?
Oh, when Mary
It's all right. Hey,
took off her,
let's use the rocking chair.
Okay.
hat.
Oh, she did, okay.
Okay,
All
it's
right.
time for the baby to be born.
But no, that's.
Well, you can't use it, honey. James is using it.
I know
It's
that.
okay. We have a backup manger.
We'll cover it. Here's the blanket.
Yeah, here we go.
But we need to. But we need. That's what Mary's gonna sit in.
Oh.
Mary can sit back there, right there. Here you go.
No, I don't want to sit back to the babies.
Okay, tell you what. Let's make this the manger right there.
Oh.
There we go. Okay,
And now we
baby.
need something to wrap it.
Okay,
We need something
push.
to. No, wrap it. Wrap it. We need something to wrap it.
We'll wrap it, honey. Don't worry.
Well.
Let's just get it born. Oh, clean delivery. Okay, here you go, baby Jesus.
Here.
Here you go.
You can borrow this, okay?
Rock now.
Okay, there you go.
Yay! That was a Christmas story. Yay!
Alright.
I like how the manger came to us. It's convenient.